So, traders, as we're looking forward into a new trading week, all I'm just gonna do on this video is to share to you guys possible direction for the coming week so we can stay prepared, so we can have the knowledge and the wisdom that we need, and also the risk management skill and the discipline and the consistency so we can have a wonderful week and have a great trading week. But before we hit the video, like on the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, click that link to sign up with the broker that I trade with and how I recommend. And for the most part of it, click that link to sign up with to open up and subscribe to our new and second channel, crypto page, where we strictly work on crypto, Bitcoin, TRX, ETH, Ethereum, XRP, and so on and so forth. So subscribe to our channel so we can reach our target that we're aiming for, which is 10K. But without further ado, let me share to you guys and let me prepare you guys for the next trading week. And first pair that we're gonna start with is nasdaq. So understanding on nasdaq that price has highs and price has lows, and price gave us this reaction the previous week, and price came back to our very same zone. So all we're gonna talk about on this zone is very simple because you already have a trade idea. So I'm just gonna break down to you guys the power of the candlestick that price is closed with, so you can understand. So you can understand, and so you can run away into what this week you might look to encounter. Because our trade idea is very simple. We're aiming to be bullish above, and we're aiming to be bearish below. So speaking about this candlestick is called a pin bar, but some traders call it a rejection candlestick. So rejecting, it's based on having a strong wick and a small body above your zone. That's the purpose of it, called a rejection, but it's called a pin bar because in most cases when such candlesticks occur, another candlestick shows up, which will be a bullish candlestick. And in this really and in this correlation, such candlesticks pop up based on you guys having to understand that as price rejected and as price gave you a pin bar candlestick, that's a sign that from that very same zone, price might look to give you a move to the upside. So in most cases, such a candlestick occurs, and when such a candlestick occurs, then again a pin bar, then a momentum candlestick shows up, and then when you now look at it, price could have gave you a reversal. So I need you guys to understand that a pin bar candlestick, it's a reversal candlestick, but we're not gonna base this outlook on a pin bar candlestick. That's why we keep it simple. We're looking to be bullish above and be bearish below. So the coming week, if price trades above, then we simply look to be bullish above the zone. But if it happens that price violates, then I guess we might continue bearish based on price having our current structure looking bearish. But without further ado, second pair, which is gold. So gold, I'm just not gonna say much, but you guys can clearly see how your gold is moving, right? So gold failed to hold our very same word, failed to hold our previous support, and failed to hold the support, and failed to hold the slow, and failed to hold the slow, meaning price is looking bearish. So what we're gonna focus on gold, because we're simply going to be waiting for confirmation. This is based on us to understand that from where price was from this high, and this push to the downside, giving us the slow, and from price holding again to that very same zone. What's going to happen the coming week, as we based on it having to wait for confirmation? As price going to respect this previous low and give us a move to the upside, or is price going to violate this low and give us a move to the downside? We just don't understand. That's why we simply kept it the way we kept it. We're simply going to wait for confirmation. So that's us. That's based on us having to see what is price going to do from that very same zone. Not without further ado, last but not least, we're having USDCAD. And USDCAD, I just said it and I'm just going to say it. We don't have a trade idea because of how price is working based on the highs and based on the lows. Price is still holding above our very same highs, right? And price as a word has a previous major zone that price might need to violate in order for us to have a strong sentiment of being bullish. But at the same time, if price stays below our very same highs, then we might look for that move to the downside only if price gives us a big momentum candlestick below our very same zone. But looking to be bullish, then I guess we might look to tackle out the highs, tackle out our major zone, so we can look for those moves to the upside. And that's very unlikely. But we're not market makers. We're just gonna patiently wait and see what is USDcad gonna be all about. And that's what we're gonna be focusing on the three pairs that we always work on, which is NAS, gold, and USDcad. So if you came to the last part of this video, I highly appreciate you, and I beg that you leave a comment, making sure that you share to us what you learned about the video and what you might need us to work on this video, so we can always give you profitable setups, setups, and good educational videos for you guys. But without further ado, that's all for Harlem Kings UT, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next educational video. Bye for now.